Alright guys, welcome to another unboxing video from Amazon. So these are the Aegend swim goggles. They have over 40,000 reviews and 4.5 stars on these swimming goggles, so that's pretty crazy. Let's get started. These run about $10 on Amazon, $9.99, and I'll link them in the description below if you guys want to check them out. I am an Amazon affiliate, so clicking on those links helps out the channel. If you're going to get stuff from Amazon anyways, why not order from me? All right, so join us free includes $1,000 bonus, includes $1,000 monthly contests. So that's kind of cool. A little card there. And here we opted for one of the shiny looking glasses there, or goggles. So the case is pretty nifty, fits in there nicely, and then to open it, well, this has a little place for a lanyard, put a string through there, hang it on your backpack or whatever, and it's got a nice plastic case that's going to keep it protected. So to open up the case, rotate that. Does it rotate counterclockwise and clockwise? Nope, just all the way one way. So it has little arrows on here, but you just rotate it the opposite direction, counterclockwise to open, lefty-loosey, and that pops open. Got some silica gel in there, don't eat it. So there's the case. And here are the goggles. So they have easy adjust tabs here on the back. You simply push this button down and then it allows that to rotate, so you can pull one way or the other, whichever way you want. And same thing with this one, so it's a nice good grip there. Also in the back it has this rotating like little swivel system, so that can go up or down. And this is it's nice and flat and kind of rounded there, so that's going to fit obviously on the back of your head there, but it's not gonna, doesn't seem like it would be uncomfortable, like it's not sharp or anything on that edge, so that's kind of nice. I like the look of it, looks pretty cool. I'm actually gonna try this on here, so let's do that. All right, so you can feel like the suction as it goes over the eye, so you know it's got a good seal there, and super comfortable. It's not like that hard plastic there on the back isn't like, it's not hurting me or anything. It slides up and down. It kind of grips on, its rubber around the edge there, so it doesn't feel like it's going to come off or anything. It feels really, it's nice and comfortable around the eyes there. So, okay. So it says UV shield, anti-fog. I just tried breathing on this to try to give it to fog up, and I couldn't. So it looks like it's like nice and flexible here. This is kind of a plastic looking thing, but apparently it's with as many reviews as it has, and like pretty much all 5 stars, that's pretty crazy. So it seems like a really nice pair of sunglasses. Haven't got to test these out yet at the river, but looking forward to it, having the boys see what they think of it. So if you're looking for some decent swimming goggles at a fair price, I will link these in the description below. If you guys have any comments or questions, I try to answer all of those. So let me know what you think. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time.